wings are cricket. There's here. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. They were open on Thursday.
Yeah, while we were sleeping last night, they decided to be sneaky and open up, so we could not get them on camera opening. But
now they're open and
so you see them, it's 3 of them.
1, 2.
And then there's the one in this corner over here. You see it right there?
Yeah. 1, 2. Where's the third one? Oh.
It's in the top still.
Oh. 1, 2, 3. I couldn't see that one. The butterfly looks. I'm so happy. The wings are both so beautiful. Right, Mama? One is flapping slow and one is flapping.
Alright, so it is day 14 and we have 4 butterflies that has arrived. So there's 2 there, there's 1 down there, and then there's 1 there, and we just have 1 left that still has not hatched, and then we have 1 caterpillar that's down here that didn't survive. So sad. However, it is day 2 since I don't know exactly which ones was born on that day because they all looked the same, but one was born today, and then there's 2 other ones. I was thinking I was just gonna let them all out once this one up here is born, but there they go. Alright, so it is day 15 and I think I'm going to release these 4 today. 1 still has not emerged from the cocoon just yet. I'm going to release these 4. I think it's time. It's been 3 days for 3 of them and 2 days for 1, and it says 3 days, and they're ready to spread their wings. They've been flying around. See, you can see 1 in there now. They've been flying around. So there's 1 in there still. It still not ready. Uh-oh, 1 is stuck. It's stuck under this little thing. Yeah, that's another reason I'm going to let them out. It's stuck. There it go. There it go. It was stuck. Hopefully it's not hurt. But we're going to get them out today. Alright, hey guys.
Hey guys! And we got a new member of our video.
Alright, hey guys, so today is the day that we're going to release the butterflies. Alright, so the butterflies have all hatched and it's a beautiful sunny day. So let me show you guys. They're in there flying around and stuff. They're ready to go. Kristen, are you ready to see the butterflies come out? Are you ready to see the butterflies come out?
Even guys, our member is here.
Alright, so we're going to slowly let them out. We have to move Kristen out of the way. We'll slowly let them out, y'all. So, Kyler, slowly pull the net from the bottom, okay? Like just pull it from the bottom, slowly.
Now, are you gonna help?
I am helping you. All right. All right, here they go, guys. They're ready to go.
Okay, I'm trying.
Oh!
That one's still hanging. Hey! Where you going? Come, I see it!
All right, so they're gone. This one is still hanging out in there. It's 2 that's in there still hanging out. So 3 went on about their little business real fast. So these 2 are just hanging out.
Where's the other one?
Kristen, stop.
Mama, where's the other one? Here. I gotta put that one. Oh. Ooh, ooh, it came out. Bye bye, butterfly. See you. Bye bye. Go with the family. Bye bye.
All right, guys, so this has been a very long 15 days. Like, it has been literally 15 days since we have got the caterpillars.
It's on you.
Oh, it's on my leg. Look. Kristen, you see it?
Hey.
Wait, Kyler, show the camera. Show the camera, Kyler.
Kai will put on me.
Let Kyler hold it. I mean, Kyler hold it. Uh-oh. Like I was saying, it has been a long 15 days since we have got our caterpillars and they have been born into butterflies. Here is the chamber. Let me try to get it out. So there's the cocoons that's left in there. Like I said in the last video, one of the caterpillars did not form into butterflies, so we only initially got 5 instead of 6, but that worked out. No. So this was like a great experiment for the girls. We like really enjoyed this. So they're just gonna play with this butterfly. So let's watch them play with this butterfly for a little bit.